Many people with diabetes believe bananas are completely forbidden fruits. This fear comes from outdated advice that treats all fruits the same way. The truth is, bananas are not always bad for diabetes when you eat them correctly. A small banana has about 23 grams of carbohydrates and a medium glycemic index of 51. This means bananas raise blood sugar moderately, not rapidly like candy or processed sweets. Ripeness matters because riper bananas contain more simple sugars and have a higher glycemic index. Choose less ripe bananas with a slight green tint to minimize blood sugar impact. Portion control is critical, so stick to small bananas or half of a medium one. Pairing bananas with protein or healthy fats slows down sugar absorption significantly. Try peanut butter, almonds, or Greek yogurt alongside your banana for better blood sugar control. Timing your banana intake makes a huge difference in how your body responds. Eat bananas after meals or post-workout when your muscles use glucose more efficiently. Avoid eating bananas on an empty stomach or late at night when insulin sensitivity drops. Monitor your personal blood sugar response 2 hours after eating a banana. This simple test tells you exactly how your unique body handles banana carbohydrates.